Konnichiwa, amigos. I don't want to just sit here and talk at you too much, so I'm going to keep this part of the video quick, and then I will talk at you in different contexts, which will be much more exciting for you. So, starting off June, I will have some updates for that. Before I get into the other parts of the video, something that I didn't really cover that I just want to hit on is that I really need to focus on what I am eating. Like I said last week, I have been really stressed out, and one of the things that I've been doing is allowing myself to use that as an excuse to eat really poorly. Of course, there is a lack of motivation where the nearest supermarket for me is a 15-minute walk, and honestly, I don't want to go walk there. Like I said, sometimes I walk to the supermarket, go shopping, walk back home, and by the time I get home, I don't feel like making anything. So there are other things, but definitely I have been allowing my stress and overall lack of motivation that is really symptomatic of the stress that I'm experiencing to negatively impact the way I'm eating. I've been getting a lot of really low quality processed food from the convenience store. There's this kind of churro donut at the nearest convenience store that I really like, and I've been eating like one of those on a lot of days every week, and today I realized that each one of them is like 470 kilocalories. So I really just need to get my act together as far as diet goes. I really need to just eat more healthful food, whole foods, vegetables and stuff like that. So I'm going to make that a priority for the month of June. And yeah, that's it. Just stop talking about it. I know that you can't outrun a bad diet, so I don't know why. No, I do know why I keep doing this. It's stress and lack of motivation and just making myself happy with tasty processed food. Anyway, more positive things to talk about in the rest of this video. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. Today is June 2nd, and basically I'm kicking off the month of June now. Gonna do a strength workout now, and then I'm gonna go running, and then I've got some other stuff to do. But yeah, this month is going to be rainy season, so I need to get plenty of running in before it gets really bad. It's supposed to rain today, but I think I can go running before it starts raining tonight, and hopefully I can hit 50 kilometers for this month early. Last month I finished the month about 3 kilometers short of 50, so I finished at like around 46, 47 kilometers, something like that. Hopefully I can put the numbers up to show what I actually hit for the month. But like I said before, I did that in basically 12 days, so I feel pretty good about that. So anyways, I'm gonna get this workout done, and I will have more to say later on. I guess, when I finish running tonight. Alright, so that is the workout that I like to do on the days before I go running. Basically my intention is to try to hit more or less full body, and that's sort of it. Those 5 exercises I feel like are pretty good. Depending on the day, I might also throw in some ab work, but I'm about to go run 5 kilometers, so I don't feel like burning my abs out right now. So anyways, I'm gonna go run my 5 kilometers, and I will, I don't know, maybe talk some more at the end of that run, so. Whoop.
Later that same evening.
All right, well, that was not the best run, but it wasn't the worst either. 5 kilometers down, but I owed 3 kilometers to the month of May, so 2 kilometers for June. Yeah, just gotta keep going. Video next week should be something a bit more interesting, I guess. Hopefully. Special edition. Anyway, toots.